Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Authenticator not working on iPhone and iPad after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. We start from basic. The first and basic method is check date and time. To check that, launch settings, tap general, tap date and time, and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Now we go for solution number 2. Solution number 2 is force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until we see the Apple logo. And if you are using iPhone 12, iPhone 10, iPhone 11, then quickly press and release volume up button, then quickly press and release volume down button, then quickly press side button until we see the Apple logo. Solution number 3. Update Google Authenticator. To update, tap and hold App Store, then tap Update and check update is available or not. If update is available, update the Google Authenticator app. Solution number 4. Uninstall and reinstall Authenticator. For that, tap and hold the Google Authenticator app, then tap Delete app and tap Delete again to confirm. After deleting the app, go to App Store and reinstall the Google Authenticator. Solution number 5. Reset network settings. To reset network settings, launch Settings, tap General, tap Reset, then tap Reset Network Settings, put your iPhone passcode, and tap again Reset Network Settings to confirm your action. Solution number 6. Update iOS. For that, go to Settings and connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.